Mastering the Art of Polite Interruptions. May I interrupt for a moment? Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to focus on an important skill in social and professional communication: apologizing for interruptions. Specifically, we'll be learning how and when to use the phrase, "May I interrupt for a moment?" So, let's get started. "May I interrupt for a moment?" is a polite way of signaling that you'd like to say something in the middle of a conversation. Interruptions, while not always favorable, can sometimes be necessary. Using this phrase is a respectful way to do so, as it acknowledges that you're aware of the interruption and wish to minimize any potential rudeness. This phrase is often used in both casual and formal situations, such as in a casual conversation with a friend or a formal meeting at work. It is especially useful when the conversation is ongoing, and you have a pressing point or question that needs to be addressed immediately. Remember, the phrase is intended to be a polite request for others' attention, so use it wisely. If someone else uses this phrase, it's polite to pause your conversation and allow the interruption. A simple, "of course," or "go ahead," will suffice. If you cannot afford to be interrupted at the moment, you could respond with a polite, "Can it wait for a few moments?" Let's practice using and responding to, "May I interrupt for a moment?" in a sentence. Here are a few examples. During a group discussion, "May I interrupt for a moment? I have an idea that might solve our problem." In response to an interruption, "Of course, go ahead." Remember, practice makes perfect. So, use this phrase in your conversations to get more comfortable with it. That's all for today's lesson on the polite phrase, "May I interrupt for a moment?" Remember, it's a powerful tool for managing conversations in a respectful way. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.